Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Today I'm going to re-record stitch number 89, which is the Crystal Wave Stitch. I've been asked by a couple of subscribers to re-record it a little bit slower, so I will try to do that today. I'm going to also show you how to complete the last row. Since in my original video I didn't show that part, I had to re-record another tutorial, but in this tutorial I will show you how to also finish your last row. I will also leave lots of information in the description box about this blanket, like the number of chains that I did, the border, I'll leave a link for the border as well, how big it is, and lots of other information about it. So make sure to check the description box for that information. Okay, so now to begin, you can use any type of yarn. Today I'm going to use light number 3 baby yarn with a 4.5mm crochet hook. You can use any type of yarn as long as you use the appropriate hook size for the yarn that you're using. The stitch multiple for this stitch is multiples of 4. I have my chain here ready. I have 24. This is only a small sample. Your chain is going to be longer. However, the sequence is still the same. So to begin, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Into the 4th chain, I'm going to make a double crochet. These 3 chains count as 1 double crochet now. And then again, I'm going to make 1 more double crochet into this same space. So in total, I have 3 double crochets. The 3 chains plus these 2 that I just did. So now I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th chain, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. And now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into this same space where I just did my single crochet, into this 4th chain that's right here, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out, take 2 loops out, and close. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains and into the 4th chain, 1 single crochet. There it is. So now we're going to repeat the exact same thing I did here. So I did my single crochet on the 4th chain. Now I'm going to make 3 chains and into the same space where I did my single crochet, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then now I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th chain, 1 single crochet. Okay, and now I'm going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space where I just did my single crochet, again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then again, I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and into the 4th chain, 1 single crochet. Okay, so now I'm going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and into this same space where I just did my single crochet, I'm going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is what it should look like, your first row. So now you're going to continue like this for your chain until you come to the last 4 chains, which is what I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to end your first row, all you need to do is make a single crochet on your last chain. Okay, and here's your first row. So now for the second row, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and into this first single crochet that's here, into this little hole that's right there, you're going to make 2 double crochets. Insert your hook and make 1 double crochet, go back in and make 1 more. Okay, so in total I have my 3 chains plus 2 double crochets that I just did here where I have this single crochet. Okay, so now we have 3 double crochets with 3 chains. So into the 3rd double crochet, 1, 2, 3, you're going to make a front post single crochet. So insert your hook through one side, come out on the other, just like this, pull a loop, bring it through the front, and make a single crochet. And there's your front post single crochet. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, and now inside this space where I have my 3 chains, this big space right there, I'm going to go in and make 3 double crochets. So just insert your hook through this big space and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's what it should look like. And then now again we have 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and our 3 chains. Into the 3rd double crochet, so into this one here, you're going to make a front post single crochet. So insert your hook here through one side, come out the other, pull a loop, bring it to the front, and make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now inside the 3 chain space right here, we're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then again we have 3 double crochets and 3 chains. So on the third double crochet, 1, 2, 3, you're going to make your front post single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the chain 3 space right here, you're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. And then again, we have 3 double crochets and 3 chains. Into the third double crochet, you're going to make your front post single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and inside the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then here we have our last 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. This last one, remember, it's the 3 chains. So you're just going to insert your hook into the last space between the chain and the double crochet, so right here, and make your single crochet. Okay, and this is how you complete the second row. Now you're going to repeat the second row until you have the size for your blanket. So here on the third row, I'm going to show you what you need to do, which is exactly like the second row. You're just going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. You're going to turn, and into this single crochet, when you pull, there's a little hole right there. In there, you're going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, and then the same thing. We have 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Into the third double crochet, you're going to make a front post single crochet. So you're going to go through one side, come through the back, pull a loop, bring it to the front, and make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and inside the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then again, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. Into the third, you're going to make a front post single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and inside the chain 3 space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this is all there is for this stitch, just one row. Okay, I'm going to make a couple more rows, and then I'm going to come back and show you how to do the last row so that this part here is nice and straight. So I'll show you that next. Okay, I finished making a couple more rows. This is what it looks like, our Crystal Waves Crochet Stitch. Okay, so now to make this part here nice and straight, there's a couple ways, but I'm going to show you the easy way. So here where I did my last single crochet at the end of my row, I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to turn, and into this same space right here where I did my single crochet, I'm going to now make a double crochet, a double crochet again. So I did 2 double crochets inside this single crochet. So now here we have our 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. On the 3rd double crochet, right on top, right here, I'm going to make a single crochet inside the chain 3. Okay, and then now right here in between these 3 chains and these 3 double crochets, we have this single crochet. So in there I'm going to make a double crochet. I'm going to now make 1 more double crochet. Okay, and then now into the 3rd double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Right here on top of the 3rd double crochet, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. And inside the chain 3, same thing, single crochet. And this is what it should look like. So let me show you again. So right here, right in between, we have these 3 chains and we have these 3 double crochets right here. This is where we did the front post single crochet on this side. Okay, so right there, if you pull, there's a little gap right there. That's where you're going to insert your hook. So insert your hook in there and make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Okay, and then into the 3rd double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Right on top, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet inside the chain 3 space. And there it is. This is what it looks like. Okay, again, double crochet right here inside this single crochet space. Insert your hook and make double crochet, and then again 1 more double crochet, and on the 3rd double crochet, 1, 2, 3, right on top, make a single crochet inside the chain 3 space, and there it is. And right here at the end, same thing. We have a single crochet space right here. You just pull, there's a little gap, insert your hook in there, make a double crochet, and now here you just make a single crochet right here where I have these 3 chains right on top. Just insert your hook on the last chain and make a single crochet. And this is what it looks like. It's nice and straight, and there you have it. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope for those of you who have asked for me to re-record the tutorial, it's been helpful. Let me know in the comments, and if there's any other ones that you want me to re-record, I will gladly do that for you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.